Welcome to CandyMonsters, your learning partner.
Look around. Have you ever seen a butterfly? These gentle, floating creatures look like flying flowers. But did you know they were once tiny caterpillars? Today we'll go on a magical journey from a little crawling caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly. Get ready to be amazed. Our journey starts here with a tiny, hungry caterpillar. This little guy has one mission: eat, eat, and eat. Did you know? Some caterpillars eat up to 200 times their body weight before they change. That's like you eating a whole mountain of food. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it finds a safe place, and then something magical happens. The caterpillar wraps itself up in a special shell called a chrysalis. Inside, it's doing something amazing. It's completely changing. For 2 whole weeks, the caterpillar melts into a special liquid. And then, piece by piece, it turns into a butterfly. Isn't that incredible? And then now it's time. The chrysalis cracks open, and out comes a brand new butterfly. But wait, its wings are soft and wet. Before it can fly, the butterfly must stretch and dry its wings. And then the butterfly is ready to soar. Its wings are strong, and now it can fly anywhere it wants. Butterflies love flowers because they drink sweet nectar just like you drink juice. Did you know there are some truly mind-blowing facts about butterflies that might just surprise you? Fact number 1. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Instead of using tongues, they step on flowers to check if they're yummy. Isn't that fascinating? Fact number 2. Some butterflies beat their wings 20 times per second. That's faster than a hummingbird. Fact number 3. Some butterflies fly over 3,000 miles to escape the cold. That's like flying across the whole country. Wow, butterflies are so magical. What's your favorite butterfly color? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and join us for more amazing nature adventures. See you next time.
Subscribe to CandyMonsters, your learning partner.